How to Protect Your Legal Rights Before and After Disaster Strikes, presented by DLAC and Listos, California. Things that you can do before a disaster to protect yourself are check your insurance policies. Make sure that your insurance policy is able to cover different types of a disaster. You can also snap pictures of your documents, such as your lease, your insurance, the deed of your house, any car loans that you have, and your personal belongings. This will make it easier when you have to file an insurance claim. Something else that you can do to protect yourself is to replace any documents that you don't have. If you don't have a current copy of your lease, make sure to ask your landlord for a copy. If you don't have a copy of your deed, go to the county recorder's office and get a copy. Make sure that you have your social security card, birth certificate, and other important documents. It's also important to make an emergency plan and create a go bag. It is important to remember that you have legal rights during and after a disaster. DLAC provides free legal help to anyone suffering because of a disaster. We do not ask about your income, your assets, or your immigration status. What we can help with after a disaster: any housing issues and evictions, employment issues, consumer issues, insurance, family law, and any problems with government aid. So what can a lawyer help with when it relates to housing and evictions? So many people aren't aware of what their current legal rights are. A lawyer can help you understand your rights and let you know whether you have a right to stay or whether you have to move out. A lawyer can also let you know whether your landlord has a right to evict you and what to do if they're threatening you. If you're not able to get damages repaired by your landlord or your insurance company, a lawyer can help you with that. A lawyer can also help you negotiate payment plans and help with any mobile home related issues. Lawyers can also help with employment issues. If their working conditions change or are dangerous because of a disaster, a lawyer can help with that. If the work conditions don't feel safe after a disaster, a lawyer can also help with that. If you lost your job, didn't get paid, or are facing discrimination or immigration issues, you do have legal rights and an attorney can help with that. Common consumer issues that occur after a disaster include contractor fraud, scams, any car loan issues, and price gouging, and an attorney can help protect you if you have been a victim of price gouging. A lawyer can help with your insurance issues. If you're having any issues with your claims, if you were denied coverage, or if you don't have enough insurance, a lawyer can help you navigate through those issues. A lawyer can also help with family law. If, due to a disaster, you are not able to follow any court orders such as visitation, child support payments, a lawyer can help with that. After a disaster, child support modifications are often needed, as well as changing custody, or sometimes you have to move out of state due to a disaster. A lawyer can help with all of those issues. Government aid is an important part of recovery after a disaster. If you are denied FEMA benefits, or if you're having issues with disaster unemployment or food stamps or other government benefits, a lawyer can help with that. A lawyer can explain your rights and help you through the process of appealing your denials. Next steps and other resources. DLAC has a disaster hotline at 888-382-3406. This hotline is available 24/7, and a lawyer will call you back with advice. You can also visit us at disasterlegalservicesca.org, or you could post a question to Free Legal Answers at ca.freelegalanswers.org.